Hello everyone. In this video I will guide you how you can add an attachment or tag someone in any transaction. So first of all, let us go to our browse module and click on sales and purchase. Now this is the list of all of my transactions. So how I can attach any attachment or tag someone? So open this transaction, then after you will see a post comment option on each and every document. So I will click on this post comment. Here I can go ahead and select at the rate, and then after I can type something like please approve inventory approval. Here is an option of attachment as well. You can select the visibility internal, external. So once you will select the visibility external, this will go through the mail to your buyer or supplier. If it is internal, it will be like an attachment or like a comment. So I can select, after clicking on this, I can select any document, and then after I can attach it, and I will once I will click on submit, please check, this particular comment is saved. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and add an attachment and post a comment. Have a good day ahead.